Hey, what's up, Moline High School? It is April 3rd, 2024. I am Miss Borman, and this is your SEL lesson on college and career readiness. Okay, quick reminder of CCRI. So, the Illinois State Board of Education established an Illinois Support and Accountability System, and that includes the College and Career Readiness Indicators. That is what CCRI stands for. It is part of multiple measures of how well a high school serves its students. So, State of Illinois has the goal of 90% or more of students graduating from high school ready for college and career by the year 2032. So we are going to measure that through Xello, the online program that we've been using for the last few years. If you've been here, the college and career readiness indicators for juniors and seniors are filling out the career readiness indicator page. And we're going to this time ask for juniors to try to have a minimum of 2 checked off and seniors a minimum of 3. And I'm going to show you how to do that here very shortly. We are going to have an incentive for this time. Every student who completes this task by April 10th will have their name put into a drawing for a $25 gift card. We're going to be choosing per grade level. We'll be doing the drawing on April 11th, and winners will be announced on Friday, April 12th in the announcements. So again, juniors checking off 2, seniors checking off 3. Okay, so now we're going to get onto Xello so I can show you what to do and where to go. Just a reminder, you're going to open up a new tab and click on the waffle in order to get to yours. I cannot go that direction, so I already have mine up and going. I'm going to go ahead and stop my webcam so you can focus on the screen. Excuse me. When you log into Xello, your Xello is going to look a little bit different. For those of you who have been on it before or multiple times, you will notice that it has changed in the format. It looks a little bit more social media-ish, if you will. It's kind of what I thought about it. So you can scroll down the middle and there's going to be like some posts. You can like them, dislike them, all these cool things. It's going to be about jobs. So different types of careers are going to be in the middle. So this one's a physical therapy assistant. You can check off if you like it, don't like it, all that kind of cool stuff. So, and there's articles and stuff that you can read about. All of the other links are pretty much the same in this new page. You're still going to have your About Me, your Explore, and your Plans, and you also have your quick links. They're just over on the side now. Your name isn't the big, huge thing in the middle now. Now it's kind of over to the left a little bit. There's lessons, portfolios, surveys, and assignments. We don't have a lot of those going on because those haven't been assigned to you unless your teacher assigns them to you. Otherwise, you're going to kind of focus on the stuff over here. Excuse me. So one thing I will say, even though you're juniors and seniors, if you have not already done the matchmaker, I would suggest going in and completing that. Remember, the matchmaker is the questions that ask you, it's an interest inventory. So it's asking you about what you like to help match careers up to what your interests are. So when you go to answer questions, you can see I haven't finished mine yet. It says, how do you feel about working in an office? If you're not sure what that means, you can click the question mark and it's going to explain to you what that question means. Then you check the face, check the words. I wouldn't mind that. I like working in an office. Mine's a little bit of a different type of office, but that's how you do the matchmaker. That will give you an opportunity to see what careers you might be interested in. And again, if you haven't already done that, you can go to the Explore Careers, and you should have 3 careers saved already. That's another big one that freshmen and sophomores need to get done, is have 3 careers saved. So saving a career means to click on a career. You can see I have this one saved. I looked at accountant and I clicked save because it's got the little heart lit up. If you can get 3 careers saved, that would be perfect. Then the main job that you guys have as juniors and seniors is the College and Career Readiness Indicator link. So you're going to go to this page. What steps are you taking in high school to prepare for what's next? You must complete at least 3 of these indicators by the time you graduate. So going through these, You're going to look through and see if you're able to check these off. Career development experience, this is going to be a smaller number of you that are able to do this. This is a supervised work experience, and it should relate to a career field that you like. To qualify, the experience must, and you have to look through all of these to see if this would work for you. It says the experience cannot just be technical training by an education provider. So you have to be doing like an internship. Takes place for at least 60 hours, includes a professional skills assessment, provides you with payment or school credit. So a career development experience is a little bit different. You've not a bunch of you will be able to check that one off. An industry credential is, again, a little bit tougher to get. Not everybody will be able to do this. Military service or an ASVAB score, there's some of you that are able to do that. Dual credits one, there's quite a few of you that have done dual credits, so you could check that one off. Again, a program of study to be a CTE concentrator. This means you have completed the courses needed to be that. To qualify, you must, and you can read all of that. Here's one that a lot of people might be able to do. Consistent employment for at least 12 months if you've had a job for 12 months. A total of 480 hours. That would be about 10 hours per week. Consecutive summer employment if you've been employed for 2 summers. So if you've had a year and it covered both summers, you could check both of those off fairly easily. 25 hours of community service and 2 or more organized co-curricular activities. So there are some examples of that. So those would be the easiest ones you could do. Okay. I know I talked through those pretty quick. If you have any questions, you can always email me if you're not sure, but we would love to get everybody to check these off. Really think about some of these for your career readiness indicators. I'm going to go back to this screen again, just to remind you about the incentive. Here we go. Juniors, please try to check off a minimum of 2. Don't just make it up if you can't. I understand if you can't check them off, but try to check off a minimum of 2, and seniors need to check off a minimum of 3. Every student who completes this task by April 10th goes into a drawing. So we will announce the drawing, the winners on April 12th. That is all I have for today. As always, reach out if you have questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.